Today we are going to Giethoorn in the Netherlands. It is now winter during our visit. That is why it is so quiet. As you can see, Giethoorn has very beautiful characteristic houses located along the water. That is why Giethoorn is known as the Venice of the North. Tourists who come to the Netherlands also often go to Giethoorn. And as a tourist, you should also take a boat trip to complete a day in Giethoorn. Just sitting on a terrace watching the boats pass by is fun.